Wichita County's rate of drug-related deaths is ranked the worst in Texas, according to a 2019 study. It also found more Americans are dying from drug and alcohol abuse and suicides than at any point in roughly the past 20 years. Those staggering statistics are motivating a local nonprofit to put a stop to opioid abuse. Jeremy Garza has the story.
Studies from the CDC show over the past 30 years, drug-related overdoses have increased by 1,125%. A study done in just the state of Texas, with Wichita Falls being one of the leading cities in 2017. One local nonprofit is at the forefront on providing skills for family members as well as addicts to receive help and get back on track.
When we help people regain their life that addiction took over, whether it was intentional or unintentional, through prescriptions, through a doctor.
Misty says she enjoys what she does and desperately wants to help the community because drug addiction and overdose hits home all too close to her.
I've had family members. I've even had one that overdosed and her life was taken. And it's hard because you ask yourself, what could I have done differently?
One of the founders of Wichita Community Services has set up a step-by-step hands-on itinerary for drug prevention and rehabilitation for families.
Somebody has to step forward and say, look, let's train our parents on how to react when this invades their family. This can literally explode the inner circle of a family.
One controversial step is parents testing their children without the children or teen having knowledge of it.
We recommend testing from 9 to 16. Literally, these children are being targeted at a very young age, and the drugs that are being delivered to them are scientifically designed to addict them with 1 or 2 uses.
Although controversial, Steve wants to get this approved from the city so parents can stay one step ahead of a possible drug overdose or to have knowledge that their children are using. The Wichita Community Services also provides help once a person is back on track after addiction, such as helping with a job, getting an ID, obtaining a food handler's card, or information on other rehab centers such as Helen Farabee to get a loved one back to a healthy life. Through all these services, they want the public to know one thing.
Don't quit. Don't give up on them. Understand this is going to be a long, hard process. Nothing is fixed overnight.
Jeremy Garza reporting, and if you'd like to learn more about what Wichita Community Services does, go to Texomashomepage.com. Also, if you or someone you know needs help, call the Substance Abuse and Mental Health National Hotline at the number right there on your screen. This service provides free and confidential referrals to local treatment facilities, support groups, and community-based organizations.